Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you 3 custom tactics that I like to use on EFC 25. I like to use 3 different ones. The first one is a balanced one, when you can defend and attack. The second one is a more defensive, when you are winning and you want to just hold back the scoreboard. And the third is a more offensive one, when you really need to score and the game is ending and you have to put your players in the attack. The first one, as I said, is balanced. For the formation, you will have a 4-3-3 attack, build-up style short passing, defensive approach balanced. You can adjust the line height to 40. So now for the player roles, on the goalkeeper, you don't change anything, you put him to defend. On the center backs, you put the role on defender, a focus, defend. And for your right and left back, you put role fullback and focus balanced. Moving up to the midfield, your first center mid, you have to put box to box and balanced. I like to use a more offensive player in this position because he will be connecting the defense to the attack. And to the other center mid, I like to use a player more defensive. Then on role you put holding and focus defend. For your central advanced midfielder, you put role classic 10 and focus on attack. Your left and right winger will have the role inside forward and focus balanced. And your striker, you put advanced forward and attack. So for the second tactic, this will be a more offensive one. You have to put the formation on 4-2-4, build-up style on short passing and defensive approach high. I like to put my line height on 70 to 75. To the player roles, the goalkeeper you won't change. The first center back you will maintain the same configuration as before, so defender and defend. But the second center back you put stopper and aggressive, so he will be more effective and more aggressive on tackles and on trying to pick up the ball. Your left and right back will be having the role of wing back and balanced, helping a little bit more on the attack. On your midfield, your first center mid will have half wing role and balanced, and the second one will be the same defensive one as before, with holding and ball winning. Your wingers will be the same configuration, inside forward and balanced. Your first striker will be poacher and attack, and the second striker will be false 9 and build up. And to sum up the defensive tactics, you have the formation by 5-2-3, build-up style on counter, and your defensive approach, you put the line height very deep, like 25. On the player roles, the goalkeeper stays the same. Your 3 center backs will be having defender and defend. Your left and right back will be having fullback and defend. In your midfield, your first center mid will be a playmaker and attack, and the second one holding and defending. Your wingers, the role will be winger and balanced, and for your striker, advanced forward and attack.